Future-ready organizations will learn and adapt quicker, better than their competition. Become a true learning organization with Easy AE, the talent evolution platform. With this platform, you can create your own company's learning academy to manage all aspects of learning in your organization. Get a realistic pulse of your company's preparedness and culture in real numbers and indicators. Automate learning, engagement, and content creation so that once set up, the organization builds the momentum to keep on learning on its own. Measure and track your team's knowledge, behavior, and performance, and make measurable improvements. And most importantly, engage your learners in a game-like experience. This platform is built with the intention of making learning a key enabler in your business success, and it will help you build an evidence-based strategy to achieve your objectives. Here are some features and tools that future-ready organizations need to make learning a true enabler. When you start on the platform, you straightaway get access to top-notch e-learning content on leadership, communication, professional etiquettes, process improvement, and compliance. Leverage the advanced toolset to create content such as lessons, quizzes, surveys, events, user tasks, and user-generated content. Make learning a journey, not just an event, with our Journey Builder. Create personalized learning journeys as per different learner needs. Integrate your classroom in-person training events seamlessly with your learner journey. Engage learners with contests and competitions using gamification features like points, badges, leaderboards, and rewards. Administer cheat-proof assessments with timed examinations, question randomization, and proctoring features. Consolidate the knowledge of your organization with social learning. Measure behavior with advanced 360-degree tool integrated into the system. Understand the effect of different trainings on the actual performance with our performance integrator. Map the skills of your organization and spot the skills gap with our competency skill mapping tool. Deliver training at the point of performance with scan and learn technology, and embed your physical environment with content. Manage on-job training with the task module. Automate personalized communication triggered by user activity. Use nudge technology to push the learner engagement. Identify black sheep in your organization with option-level feedback and scoring. Get a pulse of your organization by conducting CSAT, ESAT, NPS with our intuitive Likert survey toolset. Recognize functional skills and achievement with our certification system with ease. Use the power of AI in content creation, analysis, and recommendations to improve. So, if it is your business to train people or improve business results, I will encourage you to explore more of our platform and sign up for a free trial account and get started. And I'll see you on the inside. Our customers are using the platform as an LMS, as an LXP, as an onboarding and leadership journey builder, as a gamified culture building tool, as an assessment engine, a knowledge management system, a competency mapping tool, a 360-degree feedback tool, a survey builder, a video course site, user content creation tool. Now you don't need 100 tools for your talent development. You just need one, the Talent Evolution platform. Become a learning organization and future-proof your organization's most important asset, its people.